Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Pocket Option Trading app in just a few simple steps. But before we get started, if you guys want to get up to $50 sign-up bonus, you can create your Pocket Option account using my referral link from the description below. And that way, you'll get some starter funds for your account. Now, without further ado, let's continue. Now, on your phone, you want to go to the Play Store or Apple App Store. Then from here, you want to search for Pocket Option. Just type it in here, Pocket Option. And then you want to click the option with this icon, Pocket Option. This is the official one. And then just simply click Install. Wait for a bit, and once done, it should be ready to go. As you can see now, it's installing. Then from here, you can already open the app. Click on. And there you go. That's it. Now you know how to download Pocket Option Trading app in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.